Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install a tow hook on this 2012 Volkswagen Jetta so you can tow or get pulled out of the ditch or something. If this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, comment below, really helps out a lot. So the first thing you need is your actual tow hook. Pop your trunk, come back here in the back, get in here where your spare is, and then your tow hook is right here underneath your jack. So move this stuff, lift the jack out of here, kind of sort of one hand. Sorry, there we go. And then there's your tow hook. So we will take that to the front of the vehicle here. And then right here, I already kind of popped it out because it's kind of a pain and I didn't want to do it with one hand in the camera. But basically just stick a sharp point in here and pry down and back. And they should have made this a little bit nicer, but there it goes. See how that fits in there? That just slides into the bottom and that pops in there. So then you can screw this in here, and these are reverse thread. So you actually, it's as if you're loosening it, will tighten it. And there you go, got an installed tow hook. Alright, so once you get that done, unscrew this, and I'll show you where the rear tow hook is so you can get pulled out of the ditch. Come back here to the back. Over here on the passenger side. Alright, pull this like that, and then your tow hook hole is right there. So you stick that in there. Remember, it's reverse thread, so you're loosening it to tighten it. Screw it all the way in. Make sure it's screwed all the way in. And there you go. Got a tow hook in the rear. So if this video is helpful to you, smash that thumbs up button. Really helps out a lot. And have a good one.